I know I have 0 subscribers, but thousands of people watching. This follows a series of bombshell filings in Westchester County Supreme Court from Friday, May 1st. There's a rumor in the neighborhood. I had sued my next-door neighbors, the Grafsteins, in Rochelle Small Claims Court over survey to prove encroachment because first, there was a drainage pipe, then second, there was a Belgian block permanent encroachment that was 27 inches into my property and 18 inches deep. New Rochelle basically is a permit police. They didn't have a permit. I just kept getting passed around, and the Belgian blocks are still there. The drainage pipe is gone. And so might be Lady Betty Grafstein. I'm not touching those. I hope any rumors are not true. Anyway, regarding the whoopsie daisies, I call them, that have happened, like the flood, the ring going down, getting stalked, the CP303. No one lifts a finger for that. That's why I want to pass the Laugh Act. Lift a finger. But on, I think it was March 18th, there was I have the body cam footage and my footage. 3 police officers, and there were 2 other people. They gave me, I think it's called administrative swatting. I had to ask who it was a tall black female and a tall black male. I thought they were maybe detectives. Whew. I just heard a rumor, so that's why I'm a little. Thought they were detectives because they were in black trench coats and they looked very serious. But they never identified themselves. It turned out, I found out through my doctor's assistant, the female was Michelle Sims, who works for VNS and NewYork-Presbyterian. The male, who said, "I'll follow you," which was fucking terrifying. I think his name was Normal Landing. I have the voicemail, but I don't know how they got my mom's phone number, except from VNS records or something, or New York Press records. They lied to my doctor. They said I had food poisoning and I didn't have the basement flood. When they were here, they weren't doing a wellness check. They asked if I had a mortgage. The house was bought in 1987. I have no debts. I have an 803 credit score. I work hard. They gave a People USA flyer. Had it not been for this virtual assistant in the Philippines, Westchester would never have told me their names. I would never have known who was snooping in my house. For $20,000 a year in taxes, I would never have known. Just like when it comes to the encroachment, which I did sue for, and they did admit encroachment, they also said that my estate attorney, Anthony Moshe, didn't help them enough. Tell that to the judge. We asked Andrew Grossberg to please have his attorney help him to allow to put a Belgian block curb in front of his property so we could stop the flooding coming onto our property. We tried calling his attorney and left a message, but no call was returned. We asked Andrew to try also. Instead, he put up sandbags to rectify the problem. And as you can see, they did nothing. We have a permit which was believed to be for the curbing as well. Here's the thing. I helped my property, not theirs. And What's interesting is, just like that administrative swatting, there are people in the surrogates court and of course the ops in the cases that are trying to take away my standing. Either by saying that I have food poisoning or trying to find, I guess, mental illness or something, or by saying I have finance issues, but talk to my financial advisor. I brought this estate into wealth management. There's no debts and we're in the green here, despite everyone trying to drain it. Also, I'm on the good side of the 5 SAR report. I'm on the good side of the 5 SAR reports. It's not my Iola or my IOLTA. There's a reason I know about Iolas and IOLTAs. You pick your sides. In the end, the truth always comes out. But, you know, for everyone trying to attack my standing, go for it. I love it. But anyway, I really think justice should happen. I really think... I really hope this rumor isn't true. Jose Castelbranco, I think that's how he pronounces it. He was at the physical therapy appointments. He didn't do anything wrong. When a court wants to railroad somebody, as my financial advisor said, lawyers will do anything when they feel threatened. So maybe I should just drop this lawsuit. I want to live.